Thank you for taking an interest in using ReadyGo. We're going to start by creating an organization for your school or organization by typing the name of it into the input and pressing create. You're immediately presented with some default configurations for your organization, some teams, age divisions, and other things. You can modify anything on this page by clicking the item, for instance your teams, and changing the name of it, or perhaps even the color. By default, two age divisions are also given, open girls and open boys. Clicking on these reveals three options: the name of the division, the max age, and the gender. For an open division, the max age is left blank. To create new divisions, press New Division and type in the name of the division, for instance 16 under boys. For 16 under boys, the maximum age is 16 to write in. ReadyGo calculates automatically the age of the student when they get assigned to a division. If you specify that the maximum age is 16, this indicates that at the beginning of the year they were 15 and will be turning 16 this year. Also specify the gender of the division. Points allocations are shown on this screen also. When a competitor places for an event, they receive the points that you assign. At the moment, there's a points allocation called All Events, whereby the first place gets 10 points, second 8, and so on. You can change these values and also indicate that you want all participants to get at least 1 point indicated by the last number you type in. For instance, right now, 9th and 10th place have not been given a value, therefore 8th being the last place with a points value, all competitors, regardless of their placings, will get 1 point, indicated on this screen, 9th and 10th and other receiving 1 point. You can add additional points allocations, and each points allocation is assigned to an event when events get added to competition meets. For now, we can just determine what they are. For instance, your points for track and field events may look like this, and we can update the name of that points allocations. But then there may be other events, perhaps group events, which receive different points allocations. On the next tab, the Competitions tab, we can add competition meets and events. Competition meets and events can be categorized into different competition types. At the moment, the competition type is sports days, but additional competition types can be added, such as swimming carnivals, or other type events. Press the New Competition button to create a new meet for a particular day. This is a process we will look at in another video. On this page, we also specify our list of events. At the moment, we have a 100 meters event. We can specify new events by clicking Add New Event. The important thing to note when creating an event is that events have different types. ReadyGo allows for the following event types: races, vertical jumps, such as high jump, jump, for instance, long jump or triple jump, throw, for example, javelin or discus or shot put, and even lift or generic type events. Generic events are for events with simple points-based systems that don't fall into one of the above categories. Let's start by creating high jump. This is of course a vertical jump. It does not use lanes, nor is it a group event. Let's create that. Let's also add in a throw type event, perhaps shot put. And we'll create a group event, for instance, a 4x100 relay, which of course is a race, uses lanes, and is a group event as it involves more than one student competing as part of a group. The last tab is our roles tab, where we can specify user permissions. Right now, there is one user role, an admin role, of which you are a part of. To create new roles, we can click Add New Role. You may want a recorder role for users to do recording. Click on the role and add new users by clicking Add User. Indicate their email. They will receive an email in their inbox inviting them to use ReadyGo with a link to have them register and accept the role. You can determine what permissions this role has by clicking any of the permissions. For a recorder role, you're going to want to be able to allow the users to update competitive points and placings and to be able to record results. You may additionally want them to be able to add people to events or remove people from events. Clicking Update Role will confirm these changes. To get back to your organization page, click on the name of your organization above. If at any time you need to get back to your organization page, click on your name in the top right corner and then click on the organization that we have created. This concludes setting up our organization. Thank you for watching.